One of which you prefer. I'm waiting. Have you found a recent bit of what you're doing for us? Through all the pandemic season that protected us for today. So thank you. We commit ourselves into your hands, Lord. Protect us from good diseases. Commit our minds to your hands. Whatever we are going to do today should be effective. If I know more, we have in the name of Jesus. Amen. Okay, we learned something on this subject. This topic, sorry. Algebraic expression. Okay. And then we learned something about open statements and then closed statements. And so, bro, what is an open statement? Louder. That can be true or false. So you say 5 times 2 is equal to 9. Is it true? Is it true? So what is the answer? It's 10. So the answer is what? 10. So here becomes what? False. Right there, you are pressing what? An open statement. Open statement. Okay, now what is a closed statement? Louder. That is what? True. So 1 plus 10 will be what? Be 11. Okay. And then we talked about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So for example, 5x plus 4 minus 9y plus 3x plus 2y minus 7. What must you do first? You have to group like terms. X and x, y and y, non-variable, non-variable. So it means that we have terms that are common to each of them. So we bring your x here first, x, another 3x. We are done with the x. So let's go to y minus 9y. I said that the sign after a number affects what? That number. So 9y, then 9 again, plus 2y minus 7 plus what? 4. There is no variable that's common to the x and then the y. It means that this and this, they are the same. So you add or subtract them. 5x plus 3x is 8x. When you write a number like this, and there's no sign attaching to that number automatically becomes what? A positive number. That is why we have 5x become what? Positive. So 8x. Now let's go to the y. We have negative 9y plus 2y. It means that you are owing someone. And then the amount is what? 9. And you have 2 cities on you right now, so you are going to pay 2 cities. You still owe, and that will be 9y, negative 9y plus 2y. Negative 7y. Negative 7 plus 4.
Plus 4.
Yeah. Negative. Negative 7 minus.
Plus 4.
Sorry, plus 4. Nope. 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 You say negative 2, 4, 5, 6. So it's negative, sorry. Yes, it's negative 3, not negative 2. So this is addition and what? And subtraction. And we went to learn about multiplication and division. Okay, so let's see how we multiply and we divide. So 4p multiplied by 8p squared. Now this is how we do it. You multiply the variable and then multiply the coefficient. So the coefficient of p is what? 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you multiply this by this and then multiply this by that. By indices, we have am plus multiplied by en. When you have the base and the exponent, and then if you are multiplying, you add the exponent. So you take one of the bases, a, and then come and add m plus what? N together. Like this. We have 1 here, but you don't write it. So you take the base is the pp. So p multiplied by p2. So you take one of the bases. So p1 plus what? 2. So at the end you get what? P3. So if you have gotten your p3, then you multiply the 8 by the 4. And 8 times 4 is what? 32. So 32 p3. Do you understand? So another one, division. 16a where is it? 16a cube b square divided by 2ab. 2ab. You know that this one can be written as 16a cube b square over 2ab. If you have a question like this in this form, you can write it in this form too. You understand? And you can see that this one can go into this. Like this one, it means that we have 16 times a times a times a times b times b over 2 times a times b. This is expanded form. This one is the expanded form. And this one is for the fused one. We have joined them together. So this one, you can just cancel this and then come and cancel this. So if you count the number of a's you have left with what? 2. Count the number of b you have left with only 1. And then know that 2 can go into 16. 2 into 16. 2 into 16. 8. So here goes here, remember 2. Then this one goes here 1. So this one goes here 1, this one goes here 8. So in all you get a square b 8 a square and then the b. Okay. So now let's go to multiplication and division of algebraic fractions. So this is our new topic. Multiplication and division of algebraic fractions. Now to multiply algebraic fractions, multiply the numerator and denominator separately. Now, if you have something like A over B, we have names to them. A is numerator, and then the B is what? Denominator. So if you have numerator and denominator, you have to what? Multiply them separately. So the top ones, for instance, if I'm multiplying A over B times C over D, this and this will be multiplied separately, and this will be multiplied separately. I'm not going to multiply this and this and this and this. No. So I'll get AC multiplied by what? B, D. Or A times C multiplied by B times what? D. Understood? I said if you have numbers to multiply and they are in fraction form, A over B, right? A and B. A and B multiplied by C and D. This is a fraction. A over B is a fraction. And then C over D is a fraction. Now, algebraic expression, if you have this and that, you have to multiply the denominator separately. And the numerator separately and denominator separately.
They can't be called.
No. You can do cross if they are the same. And then if they can cancel, then you can do cross multiply. Do you understand? Okay. So this one, A, C, B, D. So A times C over B times what? D. Do you understand? Okay, let's listen to this. Before you multiply, cancel any factor common to the numerators and denominators. This makes the multiplication easier. Always check that your answer is in its simplest form. Multiply the answer with it. So let's, for example, 12xy over 7 multiplied by 14x over 20. So we have fractions here. You can decide to multiply this by this by that, or you